going. Life keeps on going while I'm frozen in snow. Yeah, I know that she don't want me no more.
Yo, what's up? Just J Froz here, back with another video today. Today, I'm in my car and I'm about to go to another car meet. This is the local one this time. Usually there's quite a few cars go down here and it's quite a nice evening. You know, it's quite sunny today, but I don't think it's too sunny, I'm not so sure, but yeah, hopefully there should be a lot of people down there. I can get a lot of footage with this camera, with my camera I've got back here. And yeah, I know it is a bit zoomed in because it zooms in when I hit record for some reason. I don't know why, maybe I have to look into that. But yeah, I mean, I'm quite new I use it for photography, but I mean, yeah, I mean, I'm fairly new to it, and you know, I wanted to use it a little bit for doing that. But yeah, we're going to the car meet, the local car meet down at the beach. Not sure if I want to include the name. Yeah, I think I might as well. But yeah, I'm heading down to the local meet at Great Yarmouth down at the pier. And usually, you know, it happens like every Sunday. So you know, I'm now on my way. I think I'm going to arrive like halfway through the meet because that's where people sort of like join in and everything. But hopefully I can capture some good cars, and hopefully there'll be some nice cars there and some, you know, really good footage. And yeah, I'll meet you down at the meet.
Onto Fuller's Hill. Turn left onto St. Nicholas Road.
Yeah, I was actually scared whether I was going to get a parking space or not, but I was able to get one. I just want to check if my car was locked. Let me just check it. Yeah, it's always that's a habit of mine. I suppose that's a good habit. Not sure if I left a little bit too much space, but I don't know. I mean, got to leave enough turning room for him to get out and everything, so you know. That the things are closed. Sorry for that. Excuse. You know, I'm sorry for the wind. You know, it's quite windy up here. Well, it's near the beach, but yeah, I mean, this is like one of the oldest roller coasters up that blue thing. That's quite cool. But yeah, I mean, it's not open yet, unfortunately. But when it does open, I will be going on it. This van is kind of this car looks kind of cool actually. I mean, I wouldn't mean it. I mean, it could do with it, yeah. I mean, it's a bit battered around here, but I thought it was a Vauxhall, but no, it's a Ford. So I'm gonna readjust this. There we go. Alright. But yeah, I mean, I don't know, maybe it's got a nice glittery paint job actually now I'm close to it. I'm not sure if you can see that on camera. See if I can capture that. I'm not sure if you can see it. You might just be able to see that. I wouldn't change the rims personally, but I mean they look like stock rims. You can just focus on those. There we go. Yeah, it does look kind of cool though, this paint job, not gonna lie, but I mean this could do a bit of a fix up, but yeah, Subi. Nice. That is cool. Nice little shift knob in there. Racing. Is that sequential? I don't know. I mean, or semi-auto? I don't know. But damn. Oh, score. Oh my god. Nice little exhaust coming out there. Good. Pretty damn good car. Is that a Supra? I'm joking, I'm joking. Toyota Starlet. This car looks cool. Mini. Focus is nice. Not sure if you can see that. I mean, I like it. No, a lot of them are orange. I mean, yellow or orange, but I mean, I think they're nice. Ooh, check this out. I think I saw that car on Facebook actually. A pink one. X5 gang. Is this your car?
Yeah, man.
It's nice.
It's currently.
Let's see if I can move my car. Let's see if I can move my car down to the car park over there, because here I am so fucking. Like I am a long way away. Yeah, I better go and just find the keys. So parked so far away. I moved it down to this spot. see what's around here. There isn't much up here. I mean, there's this BMW that kind of sticks out to me. I mean, Steely, no, actually that's not Steely, I was going to say that would be a bit brave. But, I mean, yeah, Steely's one look good to be honest, but I don't know why I thought that. I thought I saw it a second ago and I was like, yeah, that's a bit weird. From this angle they look alright. Got all the angles so you can see. Yeah. I think I recognise that course over there. Like I like to see here. Got a Mr. 2, I think. I'm pretty sure it's the Mr. 2. And we got a MX-5. Bit dirty. Tell, yeah, it's got some scrapes. It's alright. I mean, it's not the best. What's up with this car? It's all like dark. Oh, is that part of the paint colour? Was it just being burnt or something? I don't know. I don't know. I mean, maybe it could just do a bit of paint correction, maybe, but this colour is actually kind of nice. It's actually kind of nice from here, but I mean, at the back is a bit compensated, whatever you would call it. And oh, this is interesting. Multicolours. Not sure if I'm a big fan of multicolours, but yeah, I'm not really a big fan of the. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the multicoloured. Yeah, I'm not a really big fan of this, to be honest, but it is brave. It is brave. I think this is this based on the old on the Golfs that came in like a multicoloured? I don't know. Stock wheels. Does look pretty stock to me. It looks pretty stock. I mean. Yeah, I mean, not my type of car, but I'm giving my opinion. I like to be very opinionated, so you know. But I'm just not a fan of the multicolours. But you know, it's keeping that OEM sort of, you know, stockness to them. Because, you know, eventually it'll be really hard to find a stock one, so, you know, I bet they'll become really rare to find a stock one, so, you know, I'll give them credit for that. Civic looks nice. It's got a plaster on it. Had a dent there or something? I don't know, I mean. I don't know what that sun strip's all about, though, I mean. It's like there's a sun strip being put on there, but it kind of got ripped off, I mean. Some little camera going on. Jesus, alright, that made me jump. See if I can capture anything interesting. Nice Alpha. We might as well just film another little walk around. Nice Peugeot. I think I saw this at the last minute, did a nice little photo of it. Driving around the... Alright, well I mean, nice bike though. Never seen a yellow bike before, but interesting colour for a bike. Nice Volvo. Ooh, that was almost a crash, right? I am running low on battery, so I'm trying to capture something. Some more, you know, little clips for a little video. Focusing more on clips, I suppose, than actual photos. I've taken a few photos, but not as many as I usually do. Oh my god, that made some smoke, right? Someone waving at me. Norwich Eats, whatever that is. I mean, I suppose that's his company. Because yeah, I mean, you have to. Supercharged? I think that's supercharged. That sounds like a supercharged to me. Nice little Tegra. Nice little dog in there as well. I know I'm a car guy and I'm just looking at his dog. But it's a nice car too. I mean, it could do a bit of a clean, but it's not really my type of car, but you know, it's alright. It's a nice looking Audi. Is he going to do like a burnout or something? I'll go for he's going to. But not burnout because it's an all-wheel drive car. But you know, I think it's all-wheel drive. I thought he was going to do a little rev up. Nice little motorbikes. I wish I knew more about motorbikes. I don't know what there is to know about motorbikes. Maybe if I research more about them, I suppose I'll know more. I mean, I should probably go and talk to the motorbike guys, ask them about their bikes maybe, but I don't know, maybe. There are some motorbikes here as well. So you're just trying to advertise this business, I don't know, I mean, Kia, cars, whatever that is, alright. There's a really weird looking box here actually, that. Oh, this looks nice. Classic. Car alarm went off. Got an orange Corsa. I actually kind of like this with this little grille delete. I actually don't mind it, to be honest. He's playing clown music. Don't know why on earth he's playing clown music. I think that's him. Yeah. Yeah. Nice and OEM stock. I look stock. No, so he's keeping loose car stock. Ooh, this is nice. Even though I don't mind if you, I really want to modify mine, but you know, it's good. It's got, why's that got a Lotus badge on it? I suppose it looks like a Lotus, but maybe he's a fan of Lotus. I'm not sure if you can see that on video, but they had a Lotus badge on it. Even though it's a Miata, but you know, who gives a shit, I suppose. Kind of cool. Oh, this is nice. What is it again? Is it an MR2 or something? I think it's an MR2. Yeah, it's an MR2. It's the 2. Whatever you want to call it. It doesn't really matter. There's a nice truck up there. Hopefully it'll get enough battery. I'm running out of battery. Yeah, this looks nice. I don't know much about trucks, but this is quite nice. I think I might start heading home now because, you know, I'm starting to need a piss and I forgot my exemption badge or a mask or anything, so, you know, I can't really stop at McDonald's. This looks kind of nice though. This Fiesta, oh my god, I'll show you film this. I love the colour, I like the smoked out thing, I think it looks pretty cool. There's probably loads like it, to be honest, but I just love it, to be honest. It just looks cool. I think I'm now heading home now. But yeah, I am now heading home. I mean, maybe it's a bit too early, but I'm just starting to need a piss, to be honest, and I don't want to get too desperate or anything. I don't want to piss myself, if you know what I mean, but you know. Let's focus. But yeah, there's some nice cars going by. Oh shit. And my camera is running out. And I think I've seen, you know, everything that's been here to see. Oh my god, why is this camera not focusing? Alright, well, anyways, let's see if you can see out there. Yeah, I just want to get a view out here. But yeah, you know, I can't really stop for McDonald's or anything, as I forgot my exemption badge. So I can't really go in, and I don't have a mask or anything, so you know. But yeah, I think I'll be heading home now, and yeah.
Straight onto Hall Key, A1243.
Do you think you're better off alone?
Continue straight onto Hall Key, A1243. Continue on A47 for 1 mile.
Alright, so I am back. And there was a pretty sick army. There was actually quite a lot of cars down there. And you know, there was some nice friendly people down there. I chatted to a few people that actually are quite friendly down there. But you know, I probably won't film too many videos down there because you know, I don't want people to know where I'm actually going. I might see if I can join in with some other groups and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm just gonna see if I can mix in different, you know, clubs or groups or something like that. But you know, but I'll definitely do a different sort of variety with these different sort of meets. I'm not going to just go to the Yarmouth ones, as that will eventually get boring, as you tend to see the same sort of cars go there. And because I did notice the regulars, and you know, the location just gets a bit boring probably after a while. I mean, it probably doesn't, but you know, me filming it probably will, and you know, I don't want to bore you guys, so you know, even I'm probably boring you with this, but I'm probably going to throw up some pictures right now. I took a few pictures, not many, but I think I took like 4 or 5 photos. I think I took more than that, but some of them I didn't really like. I was just getting different angles and experimenting with different angles, but yeah, anyways, yeah, please like and subscribe, and if you don't subscribe then you won't have a year of good luck. And yeah, my name's Jay Fuzz, I'm out. Peace.